Hello! In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove Sport and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. To change the watch face on this device, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired, you can open the Garmin Connect application on your phone. In the application, tap on the icon right here. This should be the your watch's icon basically. If you tap on this icon, it will open the device page for your Vivomove Sport. Now, select the appearance category by tapping on it. Here, select the watch face option, and right here we have the list of watch faces we can apply on our watch. You can simply tap on one to select it. Once you select the watch face you like, for example this one, go back to the device page. As you can see, it says that the changes are saved and the watch should start syncing with your phone. You can see by looking at this icon, if it's rotating, that means that the devices are syncing, and after the devices are done syncing, your watch face should change. So if you wake up the screen, as you can see, it changed, I believe. Let's try again. Let's change it to something else, for example this one, so it's gonna be more visible. And now when we wake up the screen, wait until the devices are done syncing, and here we have it. The watch face changed. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.